Your transit agency has partnered with Uber to help people get around more easily and affordably within your community with subsidized on-demand rides. Terms apply. About microtransit. Microtransit in your area allows people to get on-demand rides for less, courtesy of your local transit agency, so they can get a ride when they need it. Booking your ride. Open the Uber app while within the eligible transit zone area. 1. Enter your destination. 2. Select the microtransit option on the vehicle selector screen. It will show you your local transit agency's name. 3. Book your ride. All right, you're ready to ride. Get where you need to go with confidence, with independence, with Uber. Compliments of your public transit system.